This is about 2 plants in this whole bed. So I got this allotment about 2 years ago and it was amazing. We had so much fresh food, we were experimenting, I was doing a lot of gardening work at the time, and it was an amazing thing to be able to do, especially during the lockdowns. But if you've grown anything from a pot to a garden to allotment, you know that things don't always turn out the way you imagined. And the year after, we didn't spend much time down here, it got a bit overgrown, it became too much of a problem, became a chore, and it's gone to rack and ruin. But the good thing is, we're on it now, it's going to be the best allotment, and it's going to be an amazing place to come and grow some more stuff. We've got some great plants growing, even though they're hidden amongst the weeds. But we've got big plans, and I'm not doing so much hands-on gardening work at the moment, so I've got an itch to scratch, and I'd love to take you guys along the journey with me. I thought we'd kick it off with a tour, an honest tour of what it actually looks like now. I wanted to cut away to the greenhouse area. It's not got the glass element or the frame element. We lost that about a year ago, but still the greenhouse area, still a greenhouse. So I wanted to give a quick shout out to this plant here. It's sea beet. It's the wild ancestor of beetroot, sugar beet and others, and it's delicious. I mean, you eat the stems and the leaves and it goes thick. It's great cooked, not great raw, but cooked. It's delicious. And this is about 2 plants in this whole bed. It sends out these tendrils long and they create little plants on the ends of them. It's delicious, it's really easy to grow, it's perennial, and eating wild plants has got to be good for us, right? Look at this brassica bed. These are all perennial kales, collards, cabbages. These plants are amazing. They're big, architectural leaves are really pretty, and they're so easy to grow. This is a Taunton Dean kale, perennial kale. And you can see the pigeons have had their way with this one. It's not been netted. It's not been netted like the ones behind it. hope you enjoyed that tour. You can see how long it's been left now and how much there is to do here, but the eagle-eyed amongst you will be able to see there's quite a few perennial edibles in amongst there as well. So once the ground's clear, we'll be able to talk about the individual ones and why I like to grow a lot of perennial veg as well as annuals, and hopefully be able to do some of that together with you. This is going to be a lot of perennial stuff in here. It's going to be very low maintenance, it's going to be very easy going, it's going to be mainly about having that easy harvest. We want to do a couple of videos a week, and it's going to be up here. Got loads of plans for up here, loads of projects, and it's going to be a bit of furniture making, which I also do, and as well as UK adventures, surfing, hiking, all that stuff, and it's going to be awesome. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.